Yep, and we're here to give everyone the answers, Jeannie. You know, when it comes to COVID-19 testing, there is a need for more tests and also for faster results. And Mayo Clinic is making that a reality. Eliza Powell is on your side showing us tonight how they're doing it.
Mayo Clinic in Jacksonville is now able to process large quantities of coronavirus tests in 24 hours, and patients can now get their results 24 hours after their test is processed, instead of having to wait days.
We can do up to 1,000 samples per day and get that information back to our patients as well as the greater community.
This includes tests received from hospitals around the state and samples collected from existing Mayo Clinic patients. The new diagnostic processor will not only process 1,000 tests a day, it will expand testing capacity over time. This gives the hospital new hope to combat the virus and care for patients.
This will help us better track the virus.
Mayo Clinic says it will also be working closely with other healthcare institutions in the region to help process their samples in an effort to increase the overall number of COVID-19 tests administered. Quicker results will help doctors make patient treatment decisions faster, free up much-needed hospital beds, and reduce the amount of much-needed personal protective equipment used to treat patients. In Jacksonville, Eliza Powell, First Coast News, on your side.